While the creation of Web 3.0 is on everyone's minds, let's first take a journey on how we got here. In what is now referred to as Web 1.0, the internet was a vastly different place. First, there was no advertisements. Also, free web hosting services led to the creation of countless personal pages. Many have fond memories of their first GeoCities or AngelFire created websites. AOL was how you met and kept up with your internet friends from around the world, and Ask Jeeves is where you would read answers to questions you were ashamed to ask your friends. Web 1.0 was simple. It laid the building blocks to what was to come, which is where we are currently. The current state of the internet is now known as Web 2.0, which began in 2004. Web 2 is branded as the participative social web. Ajax and JavaScript became the framework for development. This led to peer-to-peer file sharing, a range of browser-based and massive multiplayer gaming, and the rise of giants such as Google, Facebook, and Amazon. Now, let's take a look at where we are headed. Web 3.0 is still under construction. It has been coined the semantic web. The infrastructure is being created today through blockchain and smart contracts, with a focus on privacy, governance, and decentralization, truly giving the power to the individual through code. For example, a project called Ethereum Name Service, or ENS, has created a naming system on the Ethereum blockchain. ENS is mapping human-readable names to machine-readable identifiers such as cryptocurrency addresses, content hash, and metadata. ENS adds usability to the complicated and immutable blockchain. Another project on the Ethereum blockchain, iExec, is creating a decentralized marketplace where you'll be able to buy, rent, or sell anything digital. This includes computing power, algorithms for AI, datasets, and much more. iExec is creating crucial Web 3 infrastructure needed for the transition from Web 2. Web 3 is the logical progression from our centralized and vulnerable past. Web 1 was simple and static. Web 2 connected the world, but leaves us exposed. Web 3 will be an emancipation from centralized mediums.